Investing can be an effective way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to approach it with careful consideration and knowledge. Here are some steps to help you get started with investing as a beginner. 1. Set clear financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve through investing. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or another long-term goal? Defining your objectives will help you make informed decisions. 2. Build an emergency fund. Before you begin investing, it's crucial to have an emergency fund in place. This fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, ensuring you have a safety net to fall back on in case of unexpected circumstances. 3. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about different investment options, their risks, and potential returns. Familiarize yourself with concepts like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Books, online courses, and reputable financial websites can provide valuable educational resources. 4. Determine your risk tolerance. Understand your risk tolerance, or your ability to withstand potential investment losses. Generally, higher risk investments have the potential for greater returns but also come with increased volatility. Evaluate your comfort level with risk and align your investment choices accordingly. 5. Start with retirement accounts. If you have access to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA, consider contributing to them. These accounts offer tax advantages and can serve as a foundation for your long-term investment strategy. 6. Develop a diversified portfolio. Diversification is key to mitigating risk. Allocate your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may balance it out. 7. Consider index funds and ETFs. For beginners, low-cost index funds and ETFs can be a great way to start investing. These funds track a specific market index, providing instant diversification and eliminating the need for individual stock selection. 8. Invest consistently. Consistency is more important than timing the market. Rather than trying to predict short-term price movements, focus on regular contributions to your investments. This approach, known as dollar-cost averaging, allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. 9. Monitor and rebalance. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance when necessary by buying or selling investments to maintain your desired asset allocation. 10. Seek professional advice if needed. If you feel overwhelmed or require specialized guidance, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can help you develop a personalized investment plan based on your circumstances and goals. Remember, investing involves risks, and there are no guarantees of returns. Be patient, stay informed, and be prepared to weather market fluctuations over the long term. If you want to know more about investing, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.